Make you pay 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in France. Wow. Elon made this child for now, child.
Hey vlog, I am in Maui. We landed yesterday, and I just wanted to speak to y'all because I haven't. I just inserted B-roll footage. So I'm gonna hit y'all with my metro, and me and Brittany are gonna take pictures. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. What's up, y'all? I am Denny Moss, and if you stumbled your way onto this channel, chances are you probably looking for some dope ass content. Yeah, it's fresh over here and brand new, but let me tell you what it's about. I'm a full-time student, I'm a mother, and on top of that, I take y'all stupid ass around the city of Houston, Texas to find some good places to eat, take photos, and enjoy the city. And if you like this type of shit, I mean content that is, sit back, hit the subscribe button, and join me on this incredible journey as we take a deep dive into the life of Denny Moss. Amazing. Hey, pretty. Oh, so cute. So good, I look. Everybody come look at this. Look at this.
I thought you dipped your toes in the powder donuts you had. I didn't know what was going on.
Look it out. Like that.
I thought she dipped her toes in the powder donuts.
So look, they're cheesecake.
You know that we do it grande. You know that I'm gonna be extra. And the camera go pop,
You got both.
keep 'em waiting like that. La la la. That's the way them boys sound when I walk through the block. Didn't I Uzi that doozy? Shot. Minding up in this, upping up pain and should be through the ceiling. Sipping it up, taking it up. All this good energy got you all in your feelings. I'm crazy, I'm swearing, I'm daring. Your man staring. I just entered the country with derringers, cause them Karens just turned into terrorists.
He was on stop mode, that forced on page road, no force, check too much, bro, clip on load. That's that code, that energy. He was on stop mode,
They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show go be your last stop, nigga.
Okay, y'all, I am trying to be a vlogger right now. We are in Hawaii again. We are doing a tour from the Shocker app. So you download it, and I think it's like 30 bucks. And they do the tour for you instead of paying like $200. So I come to Hawaii quite often. This is my first time in Maui though. I will say this, Maui, baby, they get like bread out here. Because everything, they charge for everything. Now, if you go to Big Island, totally different. They don't charge you for nothing. And it's more local experiences. So like, that's what I found. But here is just as gorgeous. So, this is where I'm at. I don't know if y'all can hear the waves. I didn't bring my mic. I left it in the car because I'm so excited. So, I don't even know how I'm recording right now because normally I'm just so excited and I live in the fucking moment. So let me show y'all what I'm seeing. I'm gonna try to zoom in for y'all too. I haven't vlogged in so long, y'all, but this is the beautiful land of Hawaii. Yeah, and it's tons of surfers. They already started surfing, so I don't know if you can see, but this is where I'm at. So beautiful, so beautiful. Yeah, we can walk. So I'll be doing a lot of B-roll just because I am so close to y'all. I'm so sorry. So I'll be doing a lot of B-roll because I love Hawaii. And it's just so hard for me to vlog and everything is illegal. So y'all see me doing this. They have signs everywhere that say keep out. Who doing it? Maybe this is Hawaii. I'm not keeping out. I'm definitely keeping in. But everything pretty much has to stay legal because the state has paid out so many lawsuits over the past years that everything is illegal and they do have to have like little signs and areas that's roped off. Just cross them and be careful because Hawaii is not a place for you to be disrespectful. And I'm talking about to the land. TikTok that shit. Alright. And this is it. Again, I'm gonna do a lot of B-roll because I am enjoying my vacation. It is my birthday, so I have my Galaxy phone here, and y'all will see a lot of clips, mostly from here and stories from here because I'm editing from my phone as well using the Samsung Z Flip 5. But yeah, I'm in Hawaii having a vlog, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. This is Hawaii. Y'all, it's sand blowing everywhere. Y'all can't see it because it's black, but everywhere.
They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be on that stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something be rest, that's for bitches. You Malibu most wanted, ain't no love boy, you ball boy, fish Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie, be flipped over your boxes or over your foe. The other vaginal option, pussy, nigga better straighten they posture. Got famous all up in content, might write this for the doctrine. Tell a pop star quit hiding, fuck a caption, won't action, no accident. I'm hands on, he fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Grow, and he was in jail, that's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena, that predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the road label on me, I'ma get on top. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a crack pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us.
Oh, the dolphin jumped in the background of that. I'm lying. Damn dolphin over here. There's a mermaid looking on the rock.
Mermaid!
Just stand there. Pose the whole time. Yeah, you like it. Your hands out. There you go.
From miles away, passionate the things you say. So beautiful. Look. We are now at a waterfall, so
Nice.
we'll see.
Cool. Just get you getting in and out. First 5 feet is like slimy rock. No, the water's nice.
It feels nice. I was walking in the water. So I don't know if I'm gonna get in just because it's slimy and I'm not here for strong foot. But it's nice.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the waterfall on. No, because you were way over here. The waterfall's over here.
Now, see, look at you. Trying to twerk on this wet waterfall. Hey.
Can't wait till I get home so you can tear that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I can't wait till I get home so you can tear that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want you to turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want you to turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out.
Nothing but bamboo here. Y'all hear it? Thought something was on me. We're making on the road to Hana, and we stopped at a rest stop. It's so beautiful. I'm walking way up so I can get a good view. So this is the route I'm walking, and you look over, boom. Look how beautiful this ocean is. It's gorgeous. It's a nice little walk. We did 3 waterfalls. I didn't take y'all out of my bag on my camera, but I got some good footage. So that was a nice little steep hill. I'm out of breath. Okay. Look how pretty that is. This is Hawaii.
What's it gonna be? You are coming, all depends on the captain. Ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it gonna be? You are coming, all depends on the captain. Ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything you do, I did try to do, I'm Plenty survive with face just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment, I want want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know be die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know be. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, port, I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shot, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. Oh no,
We just stopped at, I think it's called Sandy's Sandwich Shop. I don't know. But it's en route, and she allegedly serves the best banana bread. And they've been serving banana bread for 40 years. So we stopped to see if we're going to like it. I hope I'm really vlogging enough for y'all to catch on, because y'all, I'm a little tired right now. But we've been up for a long time. Like, we've been up since 3 this morning their time. So like, we've been up forever. And I forgot my phone charger. But it's 11:58. The days are so long in Hawaii because you get up and you literally are up like all day until like late at night. So I'm gonna try out this banana bread. It's with no nuts, so that's good because I don't like nuts in any of my stuff. So we're gonna try that out, and I'll come back when Jones get it. This is how it looks. Well, I guess that was quick. Oh, it looks so good.
Hot. Yeah, eat it while it's hot.
Look, it's fresh. Freshness.
I got the bread.
No nuts, right?
No nuts, man.
Okay. I know she said no nuts. You can get a drink?
You want something to drink?
I have something. I have some tea. I was just seeing if you want something.
All the driving, I be trying not to peep.
Yeah. I'm trying to set. I'll be right back. I'm gonna set y'all up. Okay, I got the banana bread. They sitting over there eating. I just literally don't have the energy to do anything. So we're gonna open this up. How we open this? It's so hot. It's warm and yum yum. I hope it's the yum yum. John's opening it. We're gonna see if it's the yum yum. What's it called? Sandy's Sandwich Shop?
Sandy's, Auntie Sandy's.
Auntie Sandy's. Baby, I got a water. It's a gallon. So it's just like the sandwich shop. In order to use the restroom or something, you gotta go like a 2-minute drive down. So it's a nice little stop on the tour. So get out the car and have a snackety snack. Ooh, look good. I don't know if the camera thing is dirty. It looks a little dirty. I'm gonna just take that off.
Everybody and mama stopping.
It don't come with no butter, no nothing. Is this normal?
It's good, yeah.
Oh, it smells so good.
You never had
Oh
banana
my
bread
God.
before? I thought I was cutting my own piece. No,
I'm
I
saying.
want your half-bitten bread.
Oh, it's so good, y'all. Yeah, they went over exaggerating. It's really good. Top tier. Well, I'll see y'all at the next stop. I may or may not talk. We don't know. But when I call y'all, pick it up. I'm 6 feet.
6 feet is small.
Can you see in there? Now they're trying to put me in a cave.
Come on. You going in?
I don't know if I could fit.
You got a flashlight on your thing?
I'm not going in her.
I got my flashlight.
I'm not going in her.
Okay, guys.
Here, take my.
I'm not going in there.
Come on.
She's not coming in. She claustrophobic. It's not even that bad. It's actually pretty big once you pass this part. You heard me?
Yeah.
It's not small.
I just told her that. You can almost stand up.
Go.
And it's light on the other side of the tunnel. Well, y'all didn't tell me about the water.
You got it.
You got it?
Yeah. You funny? I almost died in bed.
You almost died in the waterfalls too.
Yeah, I did. I almost died. I'm not built for the working.
I didn't get to record like I wanted because I forgot you got to control the camera and I'm ducking and dodging and
Yeah, it's too much.
all right.
There's a lot of fruit. This exit or we go back?
You got to go back.
You gotta go up right there.
Oh,
Actually, we're gonna go there. He's just gonna go further down there.
It's more of a cave?
Did y'all go down any further?
He is.
Oh, let's see.
I'm going too.
Me too.
Circle right here.
Oh, here it is. There's the exit. It's not so bad. Come on. He's going down there to see what's down there.
That's what I'm adventurous too. I'm going.
See what's in there. We're going to see what's in there.
I don't even see what's down there before I go down
Oh,
there.
you done, Flo?
No, I can go in.
It's another little section.
Are you going? Are you going to talk about it?
I'm thinking.
Cause you blocking the
I'm
road.
right there making this video. I'm waiting.
You like a roadblock sign right now.
light.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you go on your phone, you have to open your camera from the not from your main screen, so you can turn the brightness up on it.
What's in there? But I hear you scream. Oh no, there's something in there.
He's just making a loop.
Oh, it's just a circle.
Oh,
Yeah.
it doesn't go further in there.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
That's it.
Nothing exciting.
Funeral. It smells good. It smells like.
No, when I go to like cemetery, that's what I smell.
It smells. It smells like flowers.
Roses. He
It smells like a funeral.
Funeral home. Look at the coconut.
so beautiful.
That's camellia. Here, take a picture of me. With the flowers, Miriam.
Oh, the funeral flowers.
The funeral flowers.
Okay, ready?
Wait. On waterfalls full.
Yeah, bad.
This one's dry, y'all. It's supposed to be a Makapipi waterfall, but it's super dry. Yeah, Makapipi. Makapipi.
Oh my God, did you see the vegetation? It's so pretty.
It is.
The orchids too.
It smells so good out here.
I told you this is the camellia right here. There's the bugs.
Tons of bugs.
But it smells good.
Everybody got a damn red dot.
Windy roads.
Oh, you see these purple flowers? What are those? Look like that.
About that right there. Them poison
Yeah, it's
berries.
just, they got some big.
Oh, he got his coconut cooked.
Esto es bamboo. This one is coconut.
Organic. I don't want any.
You don't want any?
No, it's two of them. You want some meat?
No coconut for you?
I don't like coconut.
That's a lot of meat.
That's a lot of meat.
That's a little bit.
I don't like coconut.
Okay, maybe it's a little bit.
I
Give
tried
me
it in
some one.
Jamaica.
I don't like coconut.
I don't know if I like it either, but
I
about
like
that.
coconut.
It tastes like the coconut in the little water cans.
It's good.
This is organic. Yeah.
Try it.
It's okay.
I had some in the Philippines. It wasn't my thing.
Tastes like my grass Here for the meat, not without the water.
The meat, it's coconut. It's not a meat.
I know without the water.
I tried coconut. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm so dirty. I'm so dirty.
I'm talking.
I can't wait to shower.
That's how they be too. Leaning on the car like that.
What?
When they be trying to spit gas. They try to get you.
Hanging out the passengers? I need to clean this, y'all. I don't know why I keep putting it on here and I ain't cleaned it. Let me get my glass. The lens is so dirty. Oh, I'm gonna clean the lens so we can have a wide angle. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Are we there yet? I know, right?
This was good, huh?
I'm like getting so tired.
Clear over there.
Clear.
I'm gonna make a hard cut so nobody runs into us.
Sounds good. The roads are very tight and windy, and sometimes they're one ways. So we're surviving the road to
That's a
Hana.
bus. The Wakapipi Falls.
Waka pee pee.
Maka.
Waka flocka pee pee. Waka flocka pee pee. Okay, we are at the bay. And so I'm going to show y'all how the bay looks. Now mind y'all, I'm exhausted. I gotta see where they at. Okay, let me show y'all the bay now. Y'all hear the wind? I do have my mic on, but it might still come across windy. But this is the bay. And you see the sand is a little black, but it's not like a black sand beach. Maybe I'll take y'all there one day this week. I don't know. Or maybe next week. Probably next week. I'll probably take y'all next week because I'm flying from here to a different island. So y'all gonna track me for a little bit. It's a vlogging camera. Like, this is the most beautiful place on earth. I love Hawaii. I love all the islands. This is my first time in Maui, and I love it. It's just super expensive here. The big island is not expensive. Everything here you have to pay for and you have to reserve. But I want to do like a little research on why as to everything costs so much here versus the other places, because it's pretty intense. Like, you have to make a reservation. So we set our clocks at 7, and once we set our clocks at 7, baby, the tickets was gone, all 50 of them. Like, we logged on, gone, all of them. So it's not even about like you can do like advance booking. You have to do it when they tell you to book it. So like, you can't do days in advance. They be like, okay, the tickets open on, like, for instance, today is October 17th. Tickets open at 16th. Tickets open at October 16th at 7. And then boom, tickets gone, baby. Tickets are gone. So you don't have to do that. If you don't like planning and stuff, go head over to the Big Island. This ain't for you. Or if you just don't like spending a lot of money, head over to the Big Island. And then like just island hop, because the tickets can be as cheap as $49 one way. So you'll pay $80, you'll island hop, do everything you want to do, and then you can come back to wherever you stay. And I've done it more than a few times, so it's not that hard to do. We was gonna island hop, but yesterday we went to Louis Vuitton out here in Maui because we didn't know they had one. They had several, and then we didn't go to Oahu. So, but when we leave here, we're going to the Big Island. So we're gonna show y'all some stuff. It's a surprise. Somebody was like, okay, we will, you know what, you want to extend your stay for your birthday? Yes, most definitely, because this is not a place you come for 5 days and you go home. Because baby, the way the airplane set up, it took me 13 hours travel time to get here, and that's including my 4-hour layover. So you do have a layover, unless I would have drove to Austin, which is like 2.5 hours away from Houston, and that was the plan, but things didn't work out like that. But I don't want to ramble too much. I'm gonna show y'all some of the bay. And it is a bay, so it may look a little black. It's not what we accustomed to out here in Maui. But Brittany said that this place looked like Galveston compared to the rest of Maui. And y'all know how Galveston look. And if y'all don't, maybe it don't look nothing like this. But I'm gonna get my jacket. I'm cold. Bye.
Paradise.
Jesus. Beautiful. Just like me. Beautiful. Good grief.
No lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face. I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave. You wanna go out on dates. You want somebody to come bring you